Hey there, it's Pete with GCI Turf, GCITurfAcademy.com. Thank you for watching. And you know that we've been offering the next product line of biostimulants, the humic-based liquid products to help get your dirt right. And we only thought it fitting that we make a way that you can apply those liquid products. So I've been in cahoots with these guys over at Sprayer Plus for about 4 months now, and we have worked out a deal with them so that you can go to our site and purchase these sprayers and get free shipping. So the way you do this is GCITurfAcademy.com. It's going to redirect you to the Sprayers Plus website. Now once you do that, you pick out the sprayer you want. These are battery powered. These are the two that I like, the 105E and the BL25E. Once you pick out your sprayer and you get to the shopping cart, make sure you use the coupon code GCI Academy. That's the way you get the free shipping. Now, whether you're a warm season turf guy or a cool season turf guy, or maybe you're a small lawn care company trying to get started in the spraying business, hey, this is a great way to do it. This will help you to spray your yard pretty quickly and efficiently, and have a lot of fun doing it. These things are a blast to use. So hey, like, subscribe to the channel. We've always got cool videos coming out, especially related to tall fescue. I'm a tall fescue guy at heart, so I can show you a lot of things, a lot of cool tricks about how to grow your fescue. So again, go to GCITurfAcademy.com, pick out your sprayer, use the coupon code GCI Academy, and your sprayer will be on its way. Hey, get your dirt right.